Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you are new, hello, my name is Blanca Estela, and if not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the third and last Halloween look of the year. I'm not naked. I am wearing a tube top, but I put a tube top on because we're gonna get a little bit messy and a little bit green. So today's video we're gonna be doing a girly zombie. That makes any sense. So I'm gonna paint my face green and probably the top of my body, and we're gonna make her look cute, but we're also gonna make her look a little bit scary. So that's what today's video is about. Like the other two videos that I uploaded, probably not gonna talk as much because I don't know what I'm doing. I've never done a look like this before, so bear with me. And yeah, if you guys want to give me ideas for next year, let me know down below in the comments, or if you follow me on social media, DM me, message me, give me ideas. Okay, so before I start, I am going to tell you guys what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using this little palette right here by e.l.f. because it has green shades and these shimmery ones. And I'm also going to be using the Morphe Artistry palette, yeah, this one right here, because it has a lot of green shades at the bottom. And I'm going to be using the green shades on both palettes to set my face, but also to do my makeup. So this is going to be all green. And I'm going to be using some fake blood, some vampire teeth maybe. For foundation and for the body makeup, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Cover High Definition Longwear Foundation in whites. I'm going to be mixing it with this green right here. The reason I'm going to be mixing them is because this is a little bit of makeup and I don't think it's going to be enough for everything. So I'm just going to mix it with the white one and make more. It is going to be lighter than this, but that's okay. We're still going to be green. And for the scars and stuff, I'm going to be putting this on. It's going to go right here. And I'm going to be putting this big ass bite mark right here, because your girl is juicy apparently. So and then I'll probably be applying some tattoos as well using the same eyeliner. I'm just going off by what I think is gonna look. I have seen pictures, but I haven't seen a tutorial on this, so we'll see what happens. First things first, I am going to brush my eyebrows back because they are gonna be green. I'm not gonna be doing my eyebrows. So to make sure they're completely down, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Soap Styler. This one right here. I love this stuff. It really holds your eyelashes down, bitch. Like, completely down. So what I'm going to do is going to get my setting spray. It doesn't matter which one you get. I usually use my Fix Plus just because it's like right here. And I'm just going to spray some on the soap. And use the little brush that it comes with. And just move it around. And then I'm going to be pushing them up so they can stay. I do recommend this to you guys. It is pretty affordable. I forgot how much it was, but I did buy it from Ulta. Sometimes I imagine stuff in my head and sometimes they don't ever come out like I plan to. And sometimes they come out way better than I imagine it. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so then bitches are down. So I'm going to be using some setting powder. I'm going to be using my All Nighter by Urban Decay. This one right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and grab a brush and just pat some on top of the lashes. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and apply the scars. I'm going to start off with this one just because it is the easiest one. I'm going to be applying this right here on top of the corner of my eyebrow. I'm going to make sure I don't put any on the eyebrow because bitch. So I'm going to put glue on everywhere else except that part because your girl ain't trying to, you know, be eyebrowless, okay? It did come with a liquid latex, this right here. So I'm going to just apply some to the actual scar. And then I'm going to use a brush to spread it out. Where are my scissors? You want to make sure you put a good amount on the edges because that's where it's going to stick. Like it won't lift. You don't want it to lift, so make sure you put some good amount on the edges. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to see where the markings are. Okay, there we go. And then we're gonna go ahead and stick this down. It's okay if you get latex like outside of it, because I know it's gonna look shiny, but with setting powder, translucent powder, that shininess will go away. So. And then if I need more, I'll add more latex, but right now it's looking good. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to this piece right here. I think it's gonna be the hardest piece to put on, but like that. Okay, so actually this came with its own glue, this one right here, and you're supposed to put it on the edges and then glue it down, but I'm probably gonna put some in the middle too, just because, well, it wouldn't hurt for extra protection, you know. So okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I'm also gonna use a brush. I'll use this brush with my scissors. I might even put some latex just to be extra sure that it's gonna stick. I'm only gonna open the little corner because I don't want to make a big mess. This glue actually smells like the 𝙎𝙤𝘾𝙄𝘼𝙕 glue, so you know it's safe. I just hope it holds because it needs to hold. Just gonna push it down. So you're supposed to let this dry for like 10 minutes before you do anything else to it.